how to add motion blur on CapCut in your PC or mobile phone. For this, first of all, open the CapCut application and click on the new project and then select the video. Once you do that, on the button select the whole video, and on the footer you will see an option named effect. Search for that and then hit that button. Once you found that, click on the video effect. From here, search the motion blur effect. And once you found that, hit on the motion blur, and here you can see the motion blur effect. You can adjust for whichever time you want this effect. So you can add this effect in a very easy step. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.